Thank you for buying this 15015 stainless steel blender from Fixture Displays. This mixer measures about 4 inches wide, 4.7 inches tall, and front of back is about 1.8 inches. This tool is very handy, a good mixer blender for your flour work. Definitely help in the kitchen, be it for your home or for your business. This item weighs about 3 ounces and is made from food grade stainless steel. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. I hope you enjoy this product. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave good feedback and the product review. Thank you.